First time in over a year, Derek Holland of the San Francisco Giants and friend. Who do you have with you today?
Well, today I brought my hype man. Well, basically, who's your favorite player? Ichiban. Mike Tyson. Oos.
Konnichiwa. Is this your, what is this, your new traveling shtick, since you don't have Hunter Pence there and you don't have an oiled up body?
Well, I didn't know who to bring, so I figured why not bring the hype man. HP is busy inside getting ready for the game, so why not, bring the hype man.
Did your friend next to you kiss a giraffe, do you think, Derek?
Would you kiss a giraffe? No. No, he said. No.
Yeah. No. I do. I like the answer right off the bat, just not even thinking about it. No, I do have a joke. Does your friend like water, Derek?
Do you like water? Yeah. Oos.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Much respect. Yes. Likes water.
Okay.
First thought that crosses your mind when you get a call or a text from Chris Rose?
I just laugh. I feel like he has the wrong number.
Thank you.
Trying to reach out.
I was wondering why you haven't responded for the last 6 to 8 months. That's perfectly fine. Derek, as always,
Sounds
it's
like
great
you need a
catching
friend.
up with you. Yeah, I need a few. Rent a friend program. I'm signing
You
up.
need a
after
hype
the show.
man.
Please.
That's what you need.
Yes.
You need a hype man.
Please thank
would you
him
like?
right now.
Who's your favorite player?
Yeah, tell him thank you.
Ichiban, #1, Mike Tyson. Oos.
Derek Holland.
Thank you.
And Hype Man, thank you very much.
Thank you.